laughing at, Little Kate? Levi's a turning his head. What's he doing? Don't touch him on the head. Okay, you can clean. Well, that's a good idea. You can climb up there on the chair now and see him. That's a good thinking. You come up with that one yourself, didn't you? One way to get to Levi is move a hammock over there and you can check him out. There you go, Little Kate.
Oh, okay. Levi.
No, you don't need to put that pill up there with him, Little Kate.
Easy.